Welcome to Flippin' Trinkets and Treasures. We are two Southern ladies on a journey to find new treasures. Every day is a new adventure and a chance to step into the past and learn about where we come from. To add to our growing collection of pretty things and make a few bucks along the way. This is our passion. It's how we make our living, and more important than anything, it's fun. So come along for the ride and we can travel our next adventure together. See you there.
Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're in my city of birth, Bowling Green, Kentucky, and we're visiting several different places. Some of them you'll see and some of them you won't. But right now we are at St. Teresa's, and we've never been here before. Honestly, what's crazy is we hardly ever come to Bowling Green, so this is a new adventure for us today. But I've heard good things about this place. I've heard they got a good selection. I've heard that the prices are a little high, but we'll have to see. Anyway, so just...
Oh, and this is a before shot?
Yeah, it's raining.
It's
Hold on,
raining,
let me actually show you. Look, it's like, oh, it's a nasty day.
So there's no telling what we'll look like when we come back out.
So, let's just get in there. Oh, it's gonna be awful. But
wish us luck.
Yeah, wish us luck. Well, I got permission to film. This is the very back section. Everything with red or orange tags is 50% off. Ooh, those are interesting. I wonder what that is.
Oh, that's neat.
All the bubbles. It says red or orange tag, 50% off.
Let's get them.
Yeah. Okay. First find of the day.
Rags.
There's 4 of them.
What is that? It's
I don't know. What?
It's an H.
Where?
It's an H.
Not all H's.
Oh.
Excuse me. Sorry. That's interesting. I'll have to look those up. Let's see. Ooh, isn't that neat? Oh, the top is broken. Ah, no, that's so sad. Oh,
That's lovely.
I don't see the price. Oh, $8.99, but it's an orange tag, so that's half off.
Maybe $5 maybe.
$4.50. Ooh,
Interesting.
that's a neat bowl too.
Do you want this one?
Yeah, that's fine. Look and see what else we've got. So I'll get back with you when we find anything. I've got a decent little holiday section here. A lot of home goods, trinkets. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Hold the lid. Do not let it fall. Sakura. I don't like that, Mama.
Oh, that's cute.
Lid's loose. So I always have to say that because I have bad luck with lids. These are really cute. I kind of like these too. They don't have any markings on the bottom. Made in China. Let's see. This way. China. You like that one, Mother?
Hmm?
Do you like that one?
Oh, I was just holding it.
Actually, I do kind of like it. Okay, there you go. Let's see, back over this way. The Snowman collection. And Teresa. It's a huge pass for Mother. These were popular last year. $3. I actually kind of like that. It's $3. Either those sock puppets. Smithmas. Get back with you when we find anything. As per usual. Found some paper stickers. Purses. These I like. I don't know why I like those. Let's see. Looks like a photograph there. Interesting things here. They have a lot of selection. It's a salt. What do you call them? Brain is gone. Salt cellar. Okay. Ooh. Hobnail milk glass vase. Like that. Ooh. It's $5. That's interesting. Oh, it's a salt shaker. That's nifty. Ooh. Fall draft. Okay, let's go in here. Like those. $1.99 a piece. I'm on the hunt for several things in the glass section. I'd like to find some glass babies. Some like fire and ice. Ooh. Oh, I wish there were more of those. Those are cute. Ooh, and they're heavy too. I like those. 9 cents a piece. You never know with these. Like, something can look plain as day and be worth quite a bit. My mother is. Mom? I've lost my mother. $4.99. I lost my mother somewhere. Those red shot glasses. I Actually, I kind of like those. They're heavy. I might get those. They're 59 cents. Yeah, I like those. I'll go to find anything else. Well, the shot glasses actually have some chips on them, so I left them behind. But I did find these Luminarc wine glasses that I think are really neat. They look so dainty, but they're made in France. I don't know if you can see that or not. They have that peach base, and they're 99 cents a piece. So I might have Mom come over here so I can put those in the cart. Put them there for the moment. See what else we got. Ooh, I like those. Oh, I can hear my ching from over here. Ooh, that is Espana. Lucky Dad. You know what? I'll get that for 99 cents. Okay, and I'll go pick up with my mother and I'll be back with it. Okay, so I found Mommy and we're gonna get these glasses. 99 cents each, just can't really pass that up. Our cart's getting full. This is what we like to see. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. So there's 8. I'm gonna give them a check, make sure they don't have any cracks or chips. Alright, so we have a temporary delay. I guess it's because of the weather, but their fuses blew in the store. And
sounded like a big bomb.
It was like three booms. Anyway, so they're on generator battery or generator power right now. So we all were asked to leave the store temporarily until they can get things back up and running because they couldn't even check anybody out. So our carts are still in there. We just have to give them some time to get everything rebooted and in working order again. So I guess we'll just I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll be going back in there at some point because we have a cart full of stuff.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna go get it. Anyway, so we'll get back with you when we have a plan. Just had a little bit of excitement. The electricity went out. It was kind of scary. But now we're in the glassware. Some pretty pieces. Clutches plates.
But it's 24% lead crystal made in Yugoslavia.
I mean, it'd be worth a try. Alright, well, we're going to try those things. So. Ooh. Made in China. Lamp bowl.
See if you can read what's in there. It's on the bottom side, but it's inside the bowl.
All right, well, we're back in the car. We found quite a few things in there. Some of the things I forgot to film. I do that sometimes. I'll not have my camera on and I'll just put stuff in the cart. But after the whole electric issue, they were back up and running and our cart was still there, so yay!
We didn't have to do it all over again.
Yeah. No, but I like this place.
I do too.
Quite a lot. It's very... Mom and I were talking earlier, back before we went to lunch, is that sometimes it's really nice to go someplace we've never been. That's different. And both St. Teresa's. Anyway, yeah, it was a lot different than the places we used to go.
It's kind of like, you like what you like to eat. And when you figure out a place that you like, you keep going there, and you keep going there, and you keep going there until...
But you don't find anything new.
Yeah, until you say, okay, well, let's try something different. You know?
Which, that's here. And like I said, we've got a couple more places that we're going. But that's about it. We're going to have a haul video on this one. Probably day after tomorrow, probably. I'm tired, like, so, like, I'm trying to, like, focus on, like, functioning,
Yes.
and I'm like, I'm so tired. Because it's actually, I always say this has been a long day, but it really has been a long day here. Because Bowling Green is about an hour from us, drive-wise. So that's 2 hours drive, you know, there and back. And then you have to take into account we're going to all these multiple stores. And, like, right now, I have another hour to drive, you know, all the way back. But I'm glad to do that, especially when we find places like this. And it's probably not going to be something that we do all the time, but, you know, exploring something different it's always a good thing. But anyway, I guess that's about it for us today. We will see you next time.
Adios.